Mr. William Wedlock, you represent Pulfdee on the local council. How do you
Yeah.
feel about your village dying?
Well, under the circumstances now, I think that it's only right. The house is gone in such a deplorable state that I think it's injurious to health to go on living. Yeah.
Why couldn't your council have rebuilt houses here at Pulfdee rather than ask old people to tear up lifelong routes and move down to Gavilan, some miles away?
Well, I think the main reason is a sewerage. You couldn't possibly get a proper sewerage scheme and a water scheme.
At 74, you're the oldest lady in this part of the village. How long have you lived here? In Pulfdee?
All my life. That's 74 years.
You'll be moving to Gavilan shortly. How do you feel about this?
Well, I don't feel keen at all about it.
You don't want to leave Pulfdee?
No.
Why not?
Well, I've been reared here, and now at my time of life, perhaps if I was younger, I may think more about it, but I don't want to at my age.
And wouldn't you like to turn on a tap and find hot water flowing rather than having to boil everything?
Well, it would be useful, but I don't mind a bit warming it.
You've lived here in Pulfdee for 14 years. Do you want to leave?
No, I don't.
Why not?
Well, the older people there, they've roughed it worse than we have. We've got the buses. I know they're not regular, but we younger generation should stick it because we've got it 10 times easier.
But wouldn't you welcome warm water in your house?
Of course we could, but why not build the houses up here where they got the electricity already put through?
You've lived in Pulfdee all your life.
Yes.
Since you were married, have you tried to get a house somewhere else?
Yes, I have. I've got my name down in Abergavenny 3 years and in Blenavon 6 years.
What sort of a bus service have you got here in Pulfdee?
Well, only twice a week, and that's on a Friday and a Saturday.
Where does that go to?
Just to Blenavon.
And where's your toilet?
Oh, down around the garage. You've got to go around the cots, practically halfway down the tip for it. It's right down the bottom.
Village now.
Well, I don't want to leave it. I'm quite happy. It's quite nice and healthy and everything else.
It's healthy.
Yes, it is healthy.
And how do you feel about not having a bath and a hot
Well, we
tap
got
indoors?
Well, there's people before me didn't have a bath.
But
There's hundreds of people here now. They haven't got proper. Well, they haven't got no baths at all. But they have managed. People before we come here, they manage the bath, and having more children than what we are.
But it's not as though you'll have to move to another part of the country. You'll only be going a few miles away.
Yes, but I know that. But you look at it now. You go down the bottom down there
To Gavilan?
to Island.
Yes.
It's going to make people ill.
Ill?
Yes.
Why?
Well, it is because you're going down not in the fresh air.
You say it's healthier here up on the
Yes,
plateau?
I do say it's healthier.